If your engine's making noise like this one, come over here. Let me show you what I found wrong with this engine. If you notice, the belt appears to be dancing side to side. And check it out. You see this flapper right here? That's because this belt is coming apart right before our very eyes. And that's because the belt tensioner is wore out. It's not allowing a good tension. It's kicking the belt side to side. If they would have ran it long enough, the belt would have came apart completely, created more problems. Let me show you how weak this belt tensioner is. I'm gonna do a pull test. But a word of advice, if you got weak hands, don't expect the same finger tension readings. You gotta have some strong hands. That's a 4-finger tension, 3-finger tension, 2-finger tension. Oh no, that's a no-go. 1-finger tension? That's real weak. Stick around. Let's replace it real quick. Oh man, I hate it when this happens. Got the ratchet stuck. Got the old one out. Put the new one in. And that's gonna be it. It's just that simple. Afterwards, I'm gonna retest. I'll be good to go. All right, much better. If not already doing so, make sure you like and follow me for more tips.